Fiat Doblo 1.6 left front mass. I wanted to show you. This is how it's mounted here. On the left side of the Vangerin. This is where the battery cable goes next to it. And it goes on to the box. I broke it off. I rewired it without taking it into account. This is what it looks like. Here's the left front mass. It's made with this connector. And this is how this common mass is connected, and all these contacts are assembled into a mass like this. Here the mass goes to engine cooling, air conditioning, and fur coat. All assembled in a package like this. Beautiful, interesting. This is how it all fits in. It's tight enough to fit. It turns out to be airtight. No moisture or dirt gets in. Judging by all this plate, it looks soft.